Corona Del Mar Scenic 5K with Audrey and Julie, vlog number 1.
Hi, I am Audrey.
And I'm Julie, and we are training for a 5K.
5K run.
Last year we started training for it, and COVID, we couldn't even see each other, could we?
No, we couldn't.
Do you have any reasons why you would like to accomplish this goal?
Well, I want to be active and get stronger, so I thought this was going to be a good step up for being strong.
I think that is my number one reason too. Thank you for articulating that so well. Yeah, to be stronger, and I'd like to be my personal best and in better shape. I used to do runs a long time ago and I really enjoyed them. But sometimes life gets in the way.
Yeah.
So we got to make time for stuff like that.
Our plan is to come up with the plan eventually.
I like that. Our plan is to come up with a plan. And that really is the case. You got to cut out time for things that you want to get done. No matter where you are on the planet, we will keep you informed of our progress
with information below the video.
Yes, that's a good idea. We will put details in the description. If you have any questions for us or even any advice,
just
for
comment
us,
and then we can just feature your comments in this video.
Behind me is Corona Del Mar State Beach. The CDM 5K is in the residential neighborhood that you see behind me now. This course is very hilly but beautiful, so it makes for good distractions when you're running. And you can find the map online, so if you live locally you can practice, you can get out and walk. That's what Audrey and I are going to do. I hope you'll join this 5K with us September 18th. It's a Saturday morning. Thank you for watching, and
we will see you in the next video. Oh, and also, do not forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on the video if you love it.
This is Julie and Audrey signing out. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have an awesome day. See ya.
Gosh, I need to give you money. You're really good.
Thanks.
Yeah.